Hi, this is Grace with WTI. Are you looking for a new food container to take with you on the go? You're going to love this one from Thermos.
This 16-ounce thermos comes in a beautiful matte rose. It is very durable. It's made of high quality stainless steel. It also has the insulated lid that can also double as a serving bowl, so it's very convenient. And it also has a foldable spoon included and conveniently stored inside of the lid. So it is accessible when you want to bring with you on lunch or for a picnic or even camping. Another feature I really love is that due to its vacuum insulation technology, it keeps my food warm. It keeps food hot for up to 9 hours and cold for up to 14 hours. It's also sweat proof, so the exterior stays cool to the touch, even with hot contents.
I really love this thermos. Not only is it cute, but it's very practical as you're able to take a good amount of food with you without it taking too much space. So I think you're going to love this too. And that's just my point of view.